guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Noelle and we are here today talking stocks and finances. So we want to make sure that we are making our investments. Hi girl, my name is Noelle and I have the beautiful lake behind me and it is very much giving lake views. In this process, we want to make sure that we are making our investment. Now, I felt that it was necessary to speak with you, even though it is after hours. I want to just go over a few details with you. I know that you are on your investment journey. With the stock market, I have definitely discovered a lot, okay? One of those things that I've discovered is gaining back my time. I now have a schedule that is open 24 hours a day, all because I began trading. So I am a full-time stock market investor and trader, and I utilize the stock for my advantage, and so can you. This process is a process that requires full attention. If this is something that you want to be a part of, you can definitely do it just as well as I have. Now, I want to remind you that with strategy, that this is something that you can accomplish, okay? And I'm here today to help you take those first initial steps. So the goal is to have profit, to make profit, and to free our time. So this is what this channel is mostly focused on. I want to make sure that we are every single day allocating time and investing energy into our skill sets and training and our chart analysis. We want to make sure that we are consistently growing, even in our free time, even in our after hours time. Today is Saturday, so it's very well after hours. However, we want to keep in our minds our goal and our mission, our objective. When you have financial literacy, you will begin to understand this is a process that you have to do every single day. You have to wake up and decide change financially. You have to wake up and decide, you know what, today I'm going to do something different with my money. Today I'm going to think differently. Because what if you have all the money in the world and you never change your mindset? You will be broke the next day. You will spend all that money carelessly and you won't have the skill sets to really focus on how to grow your money in a way that gives you freedom with your time and also give you the financial benefit and the financial gain, such as the volatile stock market. Okay, you can see Bitcoin is at a very high price, which is about $95,000. And it has gone down significantly, $609. So we do know that this stock has potential of going up another $5,000. We've already seen it, right? So if we were to invest into Bitcoin, we can also receive that profit. Right now, it is slowly inching up from $94,908.37, and it has basically gained about 63% of that gain, which is $604 at this moment. So we are sitting in after hours today, which is a Saturday, but we just don't know if we were to make an investment, how much more money that would be towards the beginning of the year, closer towards the closing out of the year, closer towards the end of December, beginning of January. So we just want to be mindful of these very good entry points. Okay, so we have Bitcoin, which is basically going down, but now it's going back up. So we just want to be able to take those opportunities. Those are great opportunities to take investment wise when you're trading options. And once you gain your money, you take your money and you rinse and repeat the process. That's how simple this can be. Okay, if I can do this, you can do it. You don't need thousands of dollars to do that. You can start off with a very small amount of money. For instance, let's say you got your check and you got a couple $1,000, and let's say you wanted to take your first trade. So let's say you wanted to start with Palantir. Right now, and after hours is sitting at about $79. So you could take your thousands of dollars and you could invest into Palantir and purchase 100 shares. Just at the right price point, that money can be doubled, tripled, depending on the stock that you invest into. So it's really important to develop stock analysis, chart analysis, so we know when these stocks have dropped, when to put our money into these stocks, and our stop loss. Once the stock is going up to a certain point, we don't want to be greedy in the process, because greed can lead to a loss. Okay, because if you hold it too long, you could lose money, right? So we want to develop our skill set to where we can make these investments and profit. Okay, you are listening to the Stock Market Analysis with Shadow Session. Today, I am so grateful for you joining me on this process of financial freedom, and I really hope that together we become multimillionaires. We are smart, we develop financial literacy. All we need is a cell phone and some internet to make this a reality, and some willpower. So if you have willpower, definitely give yourself a chance. Get into the stock market, even if you're purchasing ETFs, and track your results. You want to make sure that you're monitoring your progress, and also you want to make sure that you're enjoying this process and that it's not an emotional investment, just mere feelings, but it's a analytical investment. You took the time, you watched the stocks, you watched it go from point A to point B, and now it's perfect opportunity for you to make a investment, take action on. Okay, so we want to make sure that we are in a position for success. If you never position yourself for success, then how will you know what your profitable gain will ever be? If you never put a risk in the equation, if you never invested, you will never see the success and the potential of how trading can grow your money at a much quicker rate versus simply just buying and holding. Of course, we want to have balance on both ends. We want to buy and hold our stocks, and we also want to have a balance of trading stocks. That way, we are able to accumulate wealth at a much faster rate, and then buy and hold and make our investments long term. Okay, so there's so many things you could do. If you wanted to trade for daily pay, you could literally find the stocks to trade for daily pay and develop a strong risk management skill set. And with that risk management skill set, it will help you be able to live comfortably off of the funding of just trading, because you're never putting more money than you should into an investment with risk management. All right, girls. So thank you so much for tuning in. This has been a pleasure of mine. So as we're growing familiar with this process, we will see that all it takes is just a try. And even if you fail, you can always get back up again and continue to try until you master this process in the stock market. It is a very lucrative opportunity. Until our next chat, I will talk to you later on stocks and stocks analysis, finances as well. Thank you so much for tuning in, and of course, you have a great rest of your day. And make sure you subscribe to the channel.
Got excuses, but the truth is I got a fever. Your vibe's contagious, and I've been waiting for you to tame the flame in me. I see you got just what I need. So come a little closer, darling. You the only heat I'm seeking. I'ma bend it over, turn right back around to get a peeking. Push it back on you. Let me push it back on you. Shawty, swing my way. Tell me what's more heavenly than melanin and melody. Shawty, swing my way. It's the perfect recipe. So shawty, Tell me what's more heavenly than melanin and melody. Shawty, swing my way. It's the perfect recipe. So shawty, won't you swing with me? Little sweat never hurt nobody. Just a little proof that you're working. Only me and you in the party. That's how it feels when we get low and close and take it slow. This groove so high, might lose control. You come a little closer, darling. You the only heat I'm seeking. You should bend it over, turn right back around to get a peeking. Push it back on me. You should push it back on me. Shawty, swing my way. Tell me what's more heavenly than melanin and melody. Shawty, swing my way. It's the perfect recipe. So shawty, won't you swing with me? Shawty, swing my way. Tell me what's more heavenly than melanin and melody. Shawty, swing my way. It's the perfect recipe. So shawty, won't you swing with me?